Welcome back to the Venom Workshop. So today what I'm going to show you how to do is we're going to do how to tighten the chain on this 1000-watt E-RACER. So this is our E-RACER in America. So this is the US version. Excuse me, the Canadian version is orange and black, and it's a little bit smaller. This is a little bit closer to the 1300 watt, but this is like I said, our 1000-watt E-RACER. So I'm going to show you today how to tighten the chain. So I'm going to go around to the back, get my camera set up. We're going to get the tools we need. You're not going to need a ton of tools or nothing, a couple wrenches, and that's about it. So let's get started. All right, so we're down and we're at the back of our ATV. So now if you look down here on either side, you'll see one right here. But right on the other side here, there's another one the exact same. Those are the adjusters. So all you have to do is, you're gonna need a 10mm wrench, just like this, and there's two bolts. There's one right here and one down right in front of the adjuster. So we're gonna have to just loosen those off. And the top one doesn't need to be taken right out or anything, it just needs to be loosened so that the bottom can move. And then you're gonna do the same on the bottom. You just put your wrench in all the way in there, and we're gonna loosen it off. Oh, that's going the wrong way. There we go. I'm gonna actually go to the front of the tire to do that. Excuse me. There we go. Like I said, we're not taking it right out. We're just gonna loosen it a little bit. There we go. Now, you want to make sure and do the exact same on this side. Excuse me. So our nut that's right, our bolt's right there. We're going to want to loosen that. There we go. Now I'm going to just loosen the one on the other side of the tire. There we go. And I just want to loosen it enough that when I get to my adjuster, excuse me. So my adjuster is right here. So now for that, you're going to need a 12mm socket. And we're just going to tighten it up a bit. No, that's not loose enough because it's not bringing the chain tight, I don't think. No. So I'm going to keep loosening off down here. There we go. Now we'll try to tighten that again, see if it moves. Oops. There we go. Okay, so that did pull it back a bit, and my chain is a lot tighter now. So if you look at our chain, and your chain shouldn't be wire tight, it should have about 1/4 inch play in it, just like that. And that side's perfect. Now we're going to tighten the other side because we want it to be even. So we're going to give this a quick tighten too to bring that axle back. Nice, just like that. That's perfect. Then all you have to do is tighten up your 10mm bolts on the top and on the bottom. Just like that. I'll do this one really fast. And I'll do my two bottom ones, and that's it. There we go. Okay. Just tightening that off. And I'm just going to do the other side by myself. It's the exact same process. So that's it, guys. So that's how you tighten your chain on your 1000-watt ATV. Definitely like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comments.